Strongly bullish ZEPP has been showing a lot of strength since early July. Since that time, it went from the lows of around let's just say maybe 3.27 dollars, and it's currently at 43.48. It's over 10 times. It has more than 10x. So there's a chat about it. The stock is currently buzzing. This is Tuesday, the 19th of August, and it's gaining momentum as traders highlight its potential for significant upside, with the community framing it as an undervalued play compared to larger competitors in the wearable tech and health tech space. On the fundamental side, optimism centers on the company's growth trajectory, the rollout of new products, and its push into AI powered wearables that could expand its market share. Investors argue that the demand for smart tech health devices continues to climb globally, and the company may be well positioned to capture additional consumer interest, especially given its focus on affordability and innovation. The conversation also touches on comparisons to other high performing tech and AI driven hardware stocks, with some suggesting that ZEPP is flying under the radar and could re-rate higher if broad investor attention shifts towards the space. While skeptics warn about volatility and competition, the prevailing narrative among bullish traders is that the stock's mix of product expansion, AI integration, and stronger growth could spark a larger revaluation. But I think much of what has been said here in this readout has already happened. You can see that. You can see that, like I said earlier on, this stock has more than 10x. And you can see here, since the last 1 year, it has gained 1,369%. In the last 6 months, 1,334.98%. In the last 1 month, 236.79%. So, in as much as the thesis that the stock is undervalued relative to its peers, it has run up a huge amount of gains. It has run up a huge amount of gains. That is one thing we need to be very clear about, and there isn't any doubt about that. You know, there's no doubt about that. So let's just give you an idea, more impressions about what's been going on here. Price pressure momentum on its 10-day moving average and its 21-day moving average, they are all robustly bullish, serious, strong trend modes. It's either it's gonna give up some of these gains and then continue to print higher prices. But it's something you have to be open to. You have to be. Yesterday gained 28.41%, and let's look at the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, the extrapolation is saying that we're going to go into a consolidation from today up till for the whole of today up till tomorrow's pre-market session, and then after that, in the session of tomorrow and Thursday. For tomorrow the 20th, and Thursday the 21st, it's going to be a decline. That's what the algos is suggesting. So in the very short term, it's going to be a contraction of the expansion. That's been, let's just say, the expansion of Friday up till yesterday. Yeah, the algos are saying that we're going to get a contraction, and then after that, the uptrend may resume briefly, but the market participants may defy this extrapolation, and you know pile in more money into the stock. So in terms of projections, we have 50.03, 46.16, and then a downward projection of 39.83. We have 44.28 intraday high here. So let's see what we have. We have downward projections as well: 18.32, 24.41, 32.22. Okay. and as low as 15.16 in terms of downward projections. We have yeah, as low as 1.37, 1.55, 1.84. So these are still relevant because just not very long ago, about not yeah, as of early July, it was trading as low as okay, $2.7 or thereabout. So these down projections will be down projections as low as 1.55. They're not out of place because the stock just recently left those sort of lows. So on the 1 minute chart, let's just see whether we're going to see any projection higher than $49.50. Here we have 43, nothing like that. We want to see whether this it has printed high projections beyond $50. 44.5, 41.54, 37.94, 43.98, 44.51, 45.78. Okay, yeah, 50.96. This was printed yesterday. 50.96, 49.21, 50.96 again. Still prevailing. 50.96. This is on its 3 minute chart. So let's see the 5 minute chart. 44.51, 44.35, 45.88. Okay, 50.96 again. Okay, yeah. So we could still have a look at the 10 minute chart. What do we have here? We have 45.58. Okay, so yeah, we know in the interim, there isn't I think 50.98 is not an outlandish projection. It's the algos are not so they're not that aggressive in terms of projecting higher prices on the stock. Let's see now. This is the weekly chart for the 4.3. Nothing there. Yeah, it's unexpected probably that the stock was going to do well. Let's see. This is the monthly charts. Okay, we may have, yes, we have very deep downward projections, but we have 50.20, 67.77, 78.63. Yeah. Okay. 50.20, 67.77, 78.63. Okay. So we could just quickly have a look and see. Let's go. What's going on? So this is how the stock has been performing. Yeah. Price performance comparison easily outperformed all the indexes. Market cap 634.4 million, shares outstanding 14.59 million shares. We could also have a look at its peers and see how those are performing. Peer comparison. Let's see. Not covered by Morningstar. This Refinitiv report here. This came out as of Sunday. Let's see what we have. Average daily volume is 1.3 million, 1.3 million shares. Let's see how. Okay, this is its peer analysis. Apple. Okay. Okay, let's see. Average market cap is 317 5.1 billion because of Apple's 3.4 trillion. Let's see. These are some of the peers. It is the best performing amongst its peers because of its the recent strength it has just shown. It's the easily the best amongst its peers. But it's just in a very short time. In a very short time, it's just done well. But with time, who knows? So I think the best opportunity has since gone away. There might still be opportunity. There might be higher prices, but I think the best opportunity has since gone away, since has since been taken up. Unless the stock pulls back sufficiently, then yeah, it might provide yet a better opportunity. But as for now, if the stock continues to print higher prices, well, it could still do well. Opportunity may still be there, but um, imagine going from $2.7 to $43 relative to going from $43 to $400. Well, yeah, it's still 10x as well, but the odds of this getting to $400 anytime soon is not exactly that high. So yeah, these are the peers. These are its peers. Apple happens to be the biggest of them all, but it's easily the best performing over the last 1 year. I think after that comes in Double N. I don't know what that is, which company that is, but it has underperformed over the last 1 month and has underperformed. Not hasn't done really well over the last 3 months. So easily over the last 1 year, it is easily the best, followed by Double N and then EM. But they are, most of them are not doing well. They've not been doing well over in recent times, especially Apple has managed to get a 10% gain over the last 1 month. Sono 23.1% over the last 1 month. It's a bit scanty. The industry hasn't really not that fantastic um, apart from ZEPP. So let's just see how things go. I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.